Mina igama ngixolisi the son of Ncube. Ya uShepherd ngisebenze ngiqala ukumazi ngoMadlela. Ngimaze ngoMadlela besishuta iDVD likaBongani. So uMadlela uthe nxa esefike estage sokuthi lapha akasakwazi ukuthi ayenzeni, wathi yena no. Indoda engasenzela yonke into le nguShepherd. Ubehlala eTarfontein leso sikhathi thina besise-Berea. In fact besise Parktown ePeteroo Park. uMadlela wathi ithi ngifonele uKhumalo, ngathi but uKhumalo sekudeni. Wathi uKhumalo manje so uyabe la. Wafonela uKhumalo and within 15 minutes uKhumalo suka eTarfontein wayesefikile lapho sesikhuluma washuta akushutayo. Is a very professional guy. We didn't pay him anything up to now, but usezibambe ngokuhlonipha akakaze athrow ama-tantrums. Is one guy who has always been respectful. He calls me Ncube, akazambize ngegama. So is one of the legends of imthwakazi arts. Uthe la nxa eseqala umqali wondaba films sabona ukuthi la our arts is going somewhere. So he's one guy that we must respect always. Is a legend in our arts industry, is a legend in our film industry. Is somebody that we all must respect, treat with utmost care njengethanda, and make sure he grows from where he is up to where he wants to be. So indoda emadodeni, indoda ehloniphekayo, indoda eyaziyo into eyenzayo. He's a very professional guy. He's a man who knows how to professionally treat abantu asebenza labo ukwenzela ukuthi kusasa bahambe bemrecommenda everywhere.